You know, just the other day I was talking to a DJ who was talking about how their clients are like so needy. They're calling them all the time at all hours. I have to answer my phone at 11 o'clock at night, at 6 in the morning, on Saturdays and Sundays and the weekends when I'm with my kids. There's only one way for me to be in the wedding business and to deal with my brides is to get back to them as quickly as possible all of the time. How do they do this? Why are they doing this to me? Hey man, I get it. Somewhere along the line, people told you that you need to show up for brides in this fashion all the time. In fact, all of your clients, you need to show up with, or you're going to lose the client, or they're not going to want to have you back, or they're going to be a problem. Oh, by the way, I'm Bill Herman. This is Creative License, brought to you, of course, by Electro Voice speakers, Electro Voice equipment. Their microphones are awesome too. Everything they do is awesome. And of course, the entertainment experience workshops and seminars. This is my workshop, and I do it every year in November. And if you want to know more about it, reach out to me. There's still some seats available for you. So when I talk about this, and when people ask me about this or complain about this, I usually just start with two small words: personal boundaries. I mean, you know that you can have boundaries with your clients, right? You can. You're just not creating any. You're pretty much saying, you know, the first time you answer your phone at 11 o'clock at night on a Saturday at a gig for your client, you're pretty much saying, hey, call me whenever you need to. Okay, instead of saying, how about considering having office hours? Okay, I will be available to you Monday through Friday from 9 to 5, or 8 to 4, or noon to 1. I mean, whatever that is for you, why not? There are lots of artists and lots of people in business that have personal boundaries when it comes to hours on when they will deal with their clientele. Your clientele will move their life around for you. I can only meet with my clients late at night on the weekdays because they've got these day jobs and they just won't meet with me. Well, not true. You haven't told them that it's important to you that they change their life to be able to meet during your business hours. Now, I'm not saying that you have to do this. I'm not. But I am telling you that if you're complaining about how your clients are taking over your life, there is a way to fix it. By creating boundaries, office hours, time when you will work with them. And trust me, they will respect it. They really will. If they don't, you probably have chosen your client pretty poorly, but most of the time that's just not the case. So what do you think of this? Do you do this already? If you haven't, do you think you can get away with it? I think you can. Write it down in the notes below and tell me what you think. Or email me, bill@billherman.com. And but just be sure it's only between 10 o'clock and 4 o'clock each day. I'll see you next time. This is Bill Herman, and this has been Creative License.